Very good evening, sir. So we will be beginning the session shortly, sir. In another 5-10 minutes, we will be starting the session. Good evening to one and all. I request the HODs, principal, and the students to inform your fellow mates so that they join in quickly and we begin the session. A very good evening to all the students who have joined in. I request you all to inform your friends to join in quickly. We will be starting the session in another 5 minutes. Sushmita, hope all the guest speakers have joined in.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. They
Okay.
have joined.
This would be a final gentle reminder to all the students to inform your friends about today's student development program on DSA for product-based companies, mastering data structures and algorithms to crack top tech interviews. So I request you to inform your friends to join in quickly. A warm welcome to all the students, faculty members, coordinators from our esteemed institutions. I welcome you again for today's 30 hours of student development program on DSA for product-based companies, mastering data structures and algorithms to crack top tech interviews. So before we go ahead with today's session, I would like to give you a quick introduction about XLR. XLR, founded in 2013 by IIM ISB alumni, headquartered in USA. We have so far trained 7,50,000 plus students and professionals. We cater to the requirements of individuals, institutions, and industries. Our premium associations are with IIT Roorkee, SkillUp APSSDC, APSHE, TASK, KMDC, IIT Madras through our joint certification programs, IIT Roorkee, NASCOM Future Skill Prime, where we have close to 18 plus of our courses, which has been approved by NASSCOM, and we have it on the NASSCOM platform. Similarly, we have 14 plus of our approved courses on the Swayam Plus portal. Through our continuous efforts, we have been recognized by Deloitte, Silicon India, Analytics India, PMP Training, and many others. To give you a glimpse of our decade of training excellence, I would like to highlight that so far we have trained 70,000 plus faculties from engineering and degree front, and students trained close to 7,50,000 plus. During our journey, we have been strongly conducting webinars, seminars, workshops, close to 500 plus, training 50,000 plus participants. And on all of these training programs, we've been doing it on the technical training programs, close to 30 plus technical courses. This is being very successful through our academic partners, where we have collaborated close to 2,000 plus. And also, in addition to it, we have 5,000 plus placement partners. So let me give you a little insight on XLR's initiative, Everyday Learning. Through this everyday learning, we have been conducting regular student development program and faculty development program. The objective is to provide students and faculties with application-oriented training, hands-on training on the trending technologies, and also to support colleges to get NAC and NBA requirements. We have been doing this successfully through our EDL offerings in conducting webinars, collaborating with colleges in signing MOU, delivering industry relevant faculty development program, providing all of these training programs through our LMS portal. And most of the training programs which we have delivered are through the LMS portal, which has the assignments, assessments, and again, towards the end of the training program, student development program or faculty development program, the learners are being appreciated and they are being delivered with the participation certificate. So this is how our LMS looks like. So far, we have trained 55 plus SDPs. Constantly participating colleges are close to 1,600 plus. And most popular programs under the student development program are DSA for campus placements, ChatGPT, Advanced Excel, Salesforce, Python and SQL, ChatGPT, mobile app development, and many others. These are few of our faculty development programs so far conducted 42 plus. Number of colleges constantly participating in this FDPs are 1,519. And most popular programs under faculty development program are these: AI, Gen AI, FDP on deep learning, data analytics, cybersecurity, NLP, and many others. As I told you, close to 500 plus webinars conducted, approximately 50,000 participants have attended these. These are the certificates which we issue to the students and the faculties post completion of the training program. These are some of the faculty development programs which were conducted in collaboration with the colleges. Some of the certificates which we have issued to the students and faculties during their SDPs and FDPs. Our recent engagement at IIT Roorkee while we were training the research scholars, professors on data analytics using Minitab. This is another initiative from BITS Pilani College by the students in learning Power BI training. This is Skill Up Final Year program, again an XLR initiative to train the final year engineering students, to support the final year engineering students in cracking their job interviews, where a 5-subject module, which was curated by XLR in discussion with the colleges, professors, and many others where we had coding skills, quantitative aptitude, logical reasoning, verbal ability, soft skills, and many others. Post completion of this training, the students were awarded with a prestigious certificate from iHub Divya Samfar, where 50,000 plus registrants participated in this. 5,200 plus cleared this complete program and was awarded with this prestigious certificate. This is to showcase a little on the maximum enrollments which happened from AP SSDC, that is from Andhra Pradesh, close to 10,000 plus engineering students who participated in the Skill Up Final Year program. These are some of our past events which we had done in the past from the student development program or the faculty development program in the month of May, June, and July. So without much further ado, let me introduce you to our dignitaries for today. XLR is privileged to have our distinguished guests from academia and industry to participate in the student development program. So I would call upon Professor Dr. K. Satyanarayan Reddy, Vice Chancellor of Srinivas University, who has 37 years of experience in CSE academia, 3 years in industry driving excellence in technical education. He has guided 7 PhD scholars and holds 2 internationally granted patents in computer science. A warm welcome to you, sir. Satyanarayan, sir.
Okay. Good evening. Good evening, all the students and the organizers and the faculty members, those who are there. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So, this is Professor Satyanarayan Reddy. And as my brief biodata is there, I have been teaching the disciplines of computer science and engineering and information science and engineering, cyber security, AI, ML branches and all. And throughout my experience, I have seen that the way the technology is evolving, every day it is changing. There are 2 superheroes, they still remain to be, I mean to say, the backbone of entire computer science, which is data structure and algorithms. Basically, they form the backbone of every intelligent solution that comes forth from some intelligent brain, creative brain, innovative brain. You may be, wondering how Google gives lightningly fast searches in real time, and YouTube gives video suggestions, intelligent route planning, Google Maps and all. So question arises, like why data structure and algorithm matters for an engineer, or for that matter, a degree holder, those who are majors in computer science. What should they know? Basically, most of the time I have seen people start, learning by, remembering the concept. I think that this is where they are committing mistakes. They should know how to use various tools like coding languages, various tools that are available at their disposal, how effectively, efficiently they can use, and basically this data structures and algorithms teaches you how to optimize the code, how elegantly and you can solve the problem, and the power which you can give to algorithms. I mean to say that you are looking like example, I can give some examples like search engine is there. So it basically uses the concept of trees, hash maps and all, just to quickly, very quickly in microseconds and sometimes milliseconds, information is retrieved. Then similarly, the students might be using, social media apps very extensively. So the concept behind it is graphs, which are used for connecting to friends, detecting communities, and then suggest people you may be knowing. Similarly, e-commerce platforms are there like Amazon, Flipkart, and other famous platforms like Snapdeal, etc. They basically work on the principle of sorting, searching algorithms, and recommend most relevant products that you are actually looking for. Similarly, in healthcare, to store the data of patients very effectively, and a huge amount of data will be there, how to track a particular record in fastest possible time. This is what, so the training in a good training in data structures algorithm will always, allow you to crack most complex problems. So this is what is required. For example, you will be having, heap concept, balanced tree concept, height balanced. Basically, balanced tree means height balanced tree, or hash table, etc., which allows you to, your search to happen in some milliseconds, sometimes microseconds, because now fast computers have come. Now, career-wise, if you see, and beyond, the companies like Google and Microsoft, Amazon, Infosys heavily emphasize on data structure and algorithm in the interviews. Besides everything, they will look for leadership quality. They will look for how good you are in, operating system, how good you are in hardware part, but that is secondary. The most basic thing that they look for your training in data structures and algorithms. So actually, I suggest to students that it is data structure algorithm is not just the study. It allows the thorough understanding of these two subjects will allow you to think clearly, solve the problems creatively. You see, a problem can be solved in multiple ways, but how fast your solution works. I mean to say, how fast your algorithm gives the result. And how precise your system is. Means accuracy of your algorithm should be 99.99%, no compromise for any reason. So this is what is my suggestion. And when you start thinking about data structures and algorithms, it's think possibility. Think possibility means it makes everything possible. Even complex most problems can be solved if you have good training and understanding of the subject. So I suggest to all the young minds, these are the, I mean to say, problem solvers, future problem solvers, that train your mind to think like a problem solver. So from day one, when you are training yourself, think like a problem solver. It will enable your mind to, solve the problems very fast. Build the systems which are going to impact the lives, which drives the innovation. Make technology more human. That means it should be very, very user friendly, easily understandable. So gear up, students, your journey through arrays, stacks, queues, trees, graphs. You got the idea. Dynamic programming. So many things are there to learn. So, all the best for your academic voyage, which will become passport to your, becoming a tech pioneer. Wishing you all the best. God bless you all. Thank you very much for giving me an opportunity to interact with young minds. Thank you very much. To XLR.
Thank you very much, sir. Such
Yeah.
thoughts lay a strong foundation for our students' journey. And your words were really encouraging too. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Let me move on to our next dignitary for today's evening, Dr. Shikawat Sanjay Pratap Singh, Dean, of G.H. Raizani Institute of Engineering and Business. He has 24 years of teaching and administrative experience and a member of professional bodies and RRC, coordinated global programs and participated in NEP 2020 curriculum framework initiatives. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Nitya. Good
Thank you,
evening,
sir.
everyone. It's my pleasure to be here to interact with the young minds, especially on a very special topic of data structure and algorithms. When we think about the product-based companies, it is especially two, three major brands are come in our mind. That is Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and so on. If you see the total business of these brands, there are three major attributes which play a very important role in the success of these companies. Especially these three are efficiency, reliability, and scale of their product. And when you think about the scale of any product, then there is a role of data structure and algorithm, because data structure is a ways to organize and store the data, and algorithms is a step-by-step procedure or formula to solve the problems. So when data structure and algorithms come together, it gives a better product, better software, which is very efficient, reliable, and it can be used at a large scale. If we see the example of Google Maps, then in Google Maps, the users of Google Map is maybe billions, millions of users are there. Therefore, the scale of that product is very, very huge. And how can it possible to give a better solution, efficient solution, quick solution to the large concurrent users? That can be only possible through this data structure and algorithm technology. And therefore, I think that on that note, this training workshop for these young minds is very important. Suppose if you want to design some or build some messaging app, then there are basic 3-4 needs for any messaging app. That is, you have to store the chat history, quickly search the messages, and handle the concurrent users. So the data in a very structured format and step by step through the better algorithmic procedures, it is only possible to make a very successful data messaging app which will use by a large number of users. That scale is only can be possible with the better understanding of the data structure and algorithm, or to give or to adopt skill on this data structure and algorithms. So therefore, on this process to optimize the data and to innovate the product, that link is only possible through the data structure and algorithms. And if you see the example of Amazon, as Professor Reddy has already pointed out, it that to handle the large data, to reach to the large number of users, it is very necessary that this technology is a backbone of all the major product-based companies. Such, if you take an example of Amazon, the optimizing their product recommendations engine might involve tree-based structure, hashing, and all. And therefore, these large players in the software industry, maybe Microsoft, maybe Google, maybe Amazon, or others, they can reach up to the millions of peoples and make a large revenue. So therefore, this data structure is a backbone of all advanced computing field, maybe artificial intelligence, machine learning, blockchain, operating system, distributed computing. So therefore, all industries are they are very keen to take a people in their team from the data structure and algorithm experts, and hence this type of workshops give a very good insight to our students. And I congratulate to our team of training and placement and team of the XLRI, so that they can arrange such a wonderful training. I definitely very confident that all participants, all students definitely benefit from this workshop, and I wish all the best for this student development program on data structure and algorithms. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir. That was truly insightful and meaningful. Let me call upon our next dignitary for today's evening, Dr. K. Swapna, Principal of Nishita Degree College. Principal K. Swapna has her MBA, MCOM, PhD in Commerce and Business Management, published 10 plus research papers, and actively participated in organizing and attending national and international conferences and seminars. A warm welcome to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nitya ma'am. So, good evening to all. I am Dr. Swapna, Principal of Nishita Degree College, Nizamabad, Telangana, which is accredited by NAC with A grade. I feel honored to address today's event. I would extend a warm welcome to all the faculty members, students for this inaugural session of 30-hour Students Development Program based on DSA for product-based companies, mastering data structure and algorithm to crack top technology interviews organized by XLR and EDL in collaboration with Nishita Degree College Autonomous. It's a great pleasure to be a part of this wonderful program. On behalf of Management Chairman Sri Nikhil Sir, Chief Patron Sri Vinay Kumar Sir, and I extend my sincere thanks for organizing such a great program which enriches the students' knowledge to pair with the industry requirements. I congratulate the XLR team for helping our students in demonstrating their expertise and paving way for their industrial bright future and exercising the MOU with us. Thank you and all the best for all the participants, and a special thanks to our IQSC coordinator, Sri Manoj Kumar Gilda sir, for giving me this opportunity. And I congratulate all the entire team of XLR for contributing their efforts in developing the society with the training and placement. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, ma'am. It's been a delight to have you here today's evening. On that note, it's time to hear from an industry side. So please join hands to welcome Mr. Uma Shankar Nedunchelian, CTO Advisory, AWS Ambassador, Trustee of 4 Foundation, One Cloud Hub, a visionary tech leader having 25 plus years of global expertise in cloud transformation, AI and ML, enterprise IT leadership across financial, IT, and manufacturing sectors. Award-winning cloud advocate, honored as top AWS Ambassador of 2024 and a Golden Jacket All-Star for contributions to cloud innovation and adoption. He is an AI and analytics expert, delivering business solutions in forecasting, personalization, segmentation, and customer engagement across diverse verticals. He has created global impact and social commitment, leading tech teams across continents and supporting educations close to 45 plus children via 4 Foundation Trust. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Nitya ma'am. It's my pleasure to be among the young minds. So I'm really delighted and happy to see that many of you have made the decision to embark on the journey on data structures and algorithms. I know it's not a very very popular, I would say, subject among the student community, because I've been recruiting from various colleges for the last 15 years, and though this is a very crucial and important concept and subjects that need to be understood, but I've seen seldom people have the knowledge required, as I know the professors before me had mentioned, very beautifully said. All of them have clearly explained the importance of data structures and algorithms in the especially in a product company, right? So today we see a lot of startups. I know they spoke about Google, Amazon, and Microsoft, right? Today, a lot of startups are coming up here in India. Many of them are product startups, and they need a clear advantage, clear differentiator. As the professors were saying, the differentiation is in the way of algorithms. Differentiation is in the way of the structures or the data structures with which they get stored or they get processed, right? So the key is, how do they scale, right? How do they scale cost effectively and with performance, and at the same time, it goes from 0 to 100 smoothly, right? So efficiently. So that is what your data structures and algorithms are going to help you. And I also want to emphasize here, as one of the professors mentioned, don't learn this like a subject, right? And do not by heart the algorithms and just try to, yeah, you want to crack the, interview questions or any competitive exams. That's fine. But still, the whole aim should be to how to apply them, right? See, these are building blocks. I'm sure many of you would have played in your younger days the building blocks, right? So you use many of these blocks and build different structures, different kinds of structures, right? Like Lego. You might have heard about Lego, right? So they have small building blocks. You can build rockets, you can build home, you can build a soccer field. So you can build whatever you want. So like this, these are very useful and important building blocks that makes a huge difference for the product. So whether you are building a new database storage mechanism, whether you are building your own custom in-memory storage, or you are building an effective search algorithm, search mechanism. So the data structures and algorithms is going to play a huge role. So as they were saying, it is there from the operating systems that we use every day to the machine learning and AI that we are seeing today, the generative AI and things that we are seeing today. So I cannot emphasize. I always tell two things whenever I meet, the young minds. You need to know the how of everything for sure. I'm sure many of you focus on the how of it, but what is important while you learn is the 5 Ws. What are you learning? Why are you learning? Where can you apply? When can you apply? Who can use this? And similarly, I would also add one more why, which is basically why not, one more W, right? So it is very important if you learn this, because these are all building blocks. So each building block, just knowing the building block is not enough. You should know when to use it, when not to use it. If you use it, what are the constraints and what are the advantages, what are the disadvantages? So you should know whether this algorithm will consume more space but gives you better experience, or consumes more CPU but gives you better efficiency, or consumes less space but takes more CPU. So all those combinations you need to know and you need to understand. And that's how, when there are constraints in your problem that you're facing, you can build a solution within those constraints. So I wish you all the very best. And thanks, XLR, for providing me this opportunity to interact with you all. And good luck, guys. It's a great start. Thank you, Nitya, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir, for those powerful insights into the tech landscape. And we are very delighted to have you in for today's evening. Thank you very much, sir. So without much further ado, let me introduce you to our technical expert for today's evening, who will be um, leading the training program, Mr. Shamba Shiva, Senior Front-End Developer and Front-End Architect, Subject Matter Expert on Full Stack, Solution Leader at Brain Enterprises, a corporate trainer having 15 plus years of experience in the front-end, mobile applications, and many others, skilled in Java, C, C++, PL, SQL, .NET, JavaScript, HTML, CSS3, Ajax, JSON, Bootstrap, and many others. Trained so far 10,000 plus candidates globally on various full stack curriculums. A warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you, Nitya.
Would you like to share a few words here? And then we will move on to the LMS tour.
Please move on to the LMS, and then we will start the session.
All right. Thank you, Shambhav Shiva. So let's move on to our LMS tour, which will be delivered by Mr. Amar. Followed by it, the trainer will take up the sessions. Over to you, Amar.
Dear participants, once again, a very good evening and warm welcome to the 30-hour student entrepreneur program by XLR. So, many of you are attended previous program where again here, and few of you are new learners and going to join today onwards with XLR. So, I would like to interact with you. So, if you're able to hear me, if my voice is loud and clear, I would like to see some of the responses in the chat box, or else you can raise your hands. Thank you, Gayatri. Yes, clear. Thank you so much. Others? Thank you, Samriddhi. You two participants, you also need to be participant. Thank you. Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you so much, all of you, for such a wonderful responses. And voice is okay. Great. Thank you. So let's start. So I will just take the 10 to 15 minutes of your times, and I will just give you the quick walkthrough on the LMS on a daily basis, how you're able to join the session, where you will be able to find the attendance link, about the certification, about the getting the recordings over the portal, right? So then everything will be set and we're good to continue every day, right? So now, before starting with the LMS KT session, I would like to ask one question to all of you that I hope everybody registered. Yes? Definitely. I will start from the full form of the LMS. Yes. So if you're not registered, our team will share the registration link with you. So please go ahead, submit your registration form, and those who not registered or your friends in their college, if they're not registered, please circulate the link with them. Why? Because to get the LMS access, registration is important. Okay. Yes, our team shared the registration link in the chat box. So please note that and do the registration. If you're already missed, we are already provided with the LMS access. You receive an LMS access mail to your inbox. You can check that. So now let's start with the actual KT session. So LMS stands for a learning management system, and it's one-stop solution to provide all learning material, and it's one-stop solution for interactioners, right? So by using the LMS, we are going to provide you entire course recording. Okay, with that, whatever material we are going to use for next 15 days, that you are able to find over the LMS. You can mark your attendance, submit your feedback via LMS about the sessions every day, and you can access the recordings. Okay, so let's start now. So first of all, those who registered, to them we already given the LMS access, and you receive two emails from our side. If you're first time user of XLR, the first email is nothing but account details. Okay. So those who are on YouTube and asking for the links, around 200 students. So dear participant, no need to worry. We are live. We are able to see your comment, whatever you're passing, your each and every question from the YouTube live chat will be considered. We are going to share each and every information. So currently the Zoom is overloaded with the 1000 capacity and it's full. Okay, so no need to worry, be there. We'll be sharing all the information over the YouTube as well. Thanks for the understanding. Okay. Now, the first email which we have to report, that is nothing but account details. And in that mail, we share the portal link, username, and password. Okay. So portal link is lms.xlr.com, and username is nothing but your email ID, and password, that is auto-generated or system-generated password which you received, as a first time login, you can use that password. Later on, you can forget that and you can set the new password. And with that, you will find one more email if you're checking now. That is a booking confirmation. This is confirming your registration with XLR for SDP on DSA. Okay. So if you're a second time user or if you attended 2-3 program previously with the XLR, then definitely you receive this mail only. So by using this URL lms.xlr.com, you can log in and start accessing the course. Now, if I'm clicking on this URL lms.xlr.com, I will land here on this page, and as you are already a registered member, we have to click on a login. Okay, so once you click on the login, you have to provide your credentials. So username or email ID, that is nothing but your registered mail ID, and the password. So you receive the password that is system generated. You can use that and click on login. Later on, you can forget the password and you can set the password whatever you want. Okay, so now suppose I provided my credentials successfully. I'm clicking on the login. What next? So let me reshare my screen and we'll go through the dashboard directly, and I will show you how it looks like and where you are able to find all the feeds. Okay, so once we provide our credentials, we'll land here on the home tab of the XLR LMS, and you are able to see the overview, right? So overview is nothing but like every movie will be having the teaser or trailer like that. So you will be getting the short information for your recent classes which you enrolled, or today's classes, whatever you have in your calendar. That rest information, classroom wise or announcement or calendar, you are able to see there. So participants, those who are raising the hand, you can post your queries in the chat box. I will take that, okay, after the KT. So we'll keep 4-5 minutes for the Q&A for the LMS, okay. Now, first and most important thing, how we are able to join the session, right? So today you receive a link from the XLR team via email, joining link of Zoom and YouTube, right? Every day not required to receive an email because we are going to provide each and everything here itself. Even today also it's live from the LMS, you can join. So if I want to join the session, so you can check here, you are able to see the today's class tab, right? Today's classes. In that, let's focus on today's SDP, that is DSA, right? You can check it's live. If you click on join now, directly it will take you through the Zoom. All right. Very easy. We just need to click on join now button and it will take you through the Zoom. Every day sharp at 6:50 or 6:55, you are able to see the join button. Okay, so you can additionally you can check your calendar. So now let me show you today's calendar, that is 21st. You are able to see that SDP on DSA. You can join the session from here. If you check your calendar for tomorrow by changing the date from here, you are able to see that SDP on DSA. Again, as of now, it's not started because it's going to happen tomorrow. But if you're going to come here, then again, you will find the join now button. From here also, you can join the session, right? So now let me go back again on the home tab, and I want to access all the content, material, recordings, and attendance. So how about that? So let me open the My Courses tab. Okay. So if you're having the 1 or 2 classroom accesses, that course will be, or that classroom will be visible over the home tab only. But as I'm having multiple classroom access under the EDL, SDP, and FDP, I need to visit in My Courses. So you can check in My Courses or home, and I will search here for DSA. Okay, so you can check here DSA, right? So this is my classroom. Let me open that. If I open, so first of all, I will find the lessons. Okay, so in the lesson, you will get the attendance and feedback, agenda, recordings, material. Okay, so first of all, I'm clicking on the attendance and feedback. If I click on the open link, you will see one form is there, and currently that is not active because Please note that this link is to be active in between 8:30 to 9:30 p.m. every day for 1 hour only. Okay, so this will be active only for 1 hour. Why attendance and feedback is important? To get the certificate of participation from the team of Excel, you have to mark your attendance minimum 60%. That is the criteria to get the certificate. And on a real-time basis, we'll also get to know that how the sessions are going on. So you can submit your real-time feedback about the session on a daily basis. I know the counter question what you're going to ask me. Sir, I just registered. Sir, I'm not able to access the LMS. Sir, I'm going to register. My system is not working, but I joined the session directly using the link which is shared by a friend. So how about the today's attendance? No need to worry. Okay, so our team will be sharing the attendance link into the chat box of Zoom and YouTube as well. Okay, in YouTube as well, we have live chat option, right? So join the conversation to interact with the creator, right? So exactly below the subscribe panel, you will find that live chat option. You can click there, you can share your questions there, and you can always mark your attendance. You will be able to find that attendance sharp at 8:30. Here and there, 8:30, 1 or 2 minutes in the chat box. Okay, clear about the attendance. Then you will be able to see the agenda here. Okay, so agenda will be visible in the agenda. So you can go through that, what we're going to cover. Then recordings. Okay. So as of now, we're starting the day 1. So we are able to see the day 1 as currently it's running live. So you can play recording or you can directly watch the live as well from here itself. Okay. But later on, after completion of the session, immediately within 5 minutes, you will be able to see the recordings. So like day 1, day 2, day 3, up to day 15, all the recordings will be available here. Okay. Clear? Okay, good. After that, whatever material Sambas are going to use for the next 15 days, all the material will be available here in the material tab. Okay, so as of now, there is no any material we uploaded, but we'll upload the material here. So that's all from my side about the accessing the LMS. So I will just requesting everybody. So if you're facing any difficulties, if you have any queries or questions, so please post into the chat box. Or else we'll start with the actual session. So on website, my name is written down. What to do? Going in a dashboard, visit the dashboard tab, and you can edit that your profile. Sir, in my mail ID, the mail which was sent, my name was incorrect. Okay, no problem. You can edit that. Nothing, sir. We are good. Thank you, sir, or ma'am, HOD. Others, can I have a quick confirmation? Others clear? Or any query or question? Hi, sir. I registered, but it got failed. Okay, you can re-register. Not an issue with that. Clear, sir. Thank you. No questions. Okay, great, sir. I have registered for DSA research algorithm, but I have joined through the previous link, digital marketing. Is it okay? Where maybe there are chances to have some problem with your mail ID, so you can re-register one. There is no course being shown on the dashboard because your registration is not happened successfully. Now I am unable to re-register. Arjun, you will be able to do that after some time. Okay. You can edit that. No worries. Yes, those who registered now, they will get the LMS emails probably by tomorrow afternoon. Okay. So if you not received, you will be receiving that. So you can just visit the dashboard and you can edit that. There will be no any issue with the name. YouTube participants, any query? Okay, clear. Thank you. See, you have to join the session every day, a live session. There is no any certification for the recordings of the session. Okay, please note that. Visit the dashboard. You will be able to see that. Okay, no worries. We'll check on that. Okay, so I hope rest things are going good. So we'll start with the actual session. Any query, any question, you can keep posting in the chat box. I will take care of that. So thank you so much. And Sambasal, over to you.
Thank you, Omar. Fine. Yeah, good evening, one and all. Let me start our actual content. Yeah, welcome to data structures and algorithms. Let me go through the course structure, like what kind of examples we will discuss and what is the agenda of the course. Now, initially, we will discuss about introduction to data structures. Now, coming to our sessions, we will discuss why data structures, why we should learn Java, like data structures. What are the real-time use cases of data structures? Fine. While discussing introduction to data structures, we will discuss very important parameters. One is the time complexity. One is the time complexity. And second one is the space complexity. These two parameters we need to discuss. Fine. After completion of introduction to data structures, I hope you the confirmation. Do I need to revise any basics before going to the data structures? In today's session, do I need to revise any basics like loops or something? We have so many things. Do I need to revise anything? Team, at least give the some confirmation with the chat box. It's a two-way communication class, not one-way communication. Dear students, please give the confirmation. Do I need to go through any revision before going to the actual data structures? Like revision in the sense, like prerequisites. Fine. Can you tell the prerequisites? Can you tell the prerequisites? What are the prerequisites to understand the data structures? Students, can anyone tell the prerequisites to understand the data structures? Fine. Like, the basics, like loops, like, the loops are there, loops. Can you tell the types of loops? How many loops? Chart with me, no issue. I'm requesting you people chart with me. Fine. Loops. What are the different loops are available? One is the for loop. Next one is the while loop. Next one is the do while loop. Next one is the what is the another thing here? For loop. Next one is the for each loop also. One more loop we have here, then that loop we can call for each loop also. And this loop we can call enhanced for loop also. So before entering into data structure, it's recommended to get clarity on the loops also. Fine. Not only that one, now at least 10 to 15 minutes allow me to recall on the conditional statements also. Conditional statements. Students, can you tell what are the conditional statements? If statement. If statement. Next one is the answer. If else statement. Next one is the else if. Next one is the switch cases. Whatever the conditional statements are there, all the conditional statements I will discuss with you. Fine. Next one. And after completing the prerequisites, and today itself only give the clarity on the coding platforms also. Fine. Yeah, students, can you tell the what are the different coding platforms are available? Coding platforms, especially for the DSA, data structures and algorithms. Can you tell the coding platforms? Short with me. Don't be silent. I think if you are available, please try to chat with me. Coding platforms. Can you tell the coding platforms? Do you people have the knowledge on the lead code? Lead code. Next one is the what is the another thing? Hacker rank. Hacker rank. Next one is the here we have one more powerful platform, that is the CodeChef. But in the today's session, I will give awareness how to create a lead code account, hacker rank, and a CodeChef also. And if possible, from tomorrow onwards, we will do practical examples on coding platforms only. And within 1 or 2 days of time. Fine. Next one. After completing this one, next one is the here we need to go for a few more basic level concepts. Next one, arrays. Arrays concept. Students, can anyone tell what is the array? What is the array? Whatever you know, please tell me. I'm requesting here, whatever the concepts you know, please tell me that. What is the array? Anyone? What is array? Collection of, I hope very basic level question. Collection of indexed and homogeneous elements. Rushabh Saha say this one. Collection of indexed and homogeneous elements we can call array. Yes or not? To iterate arrays, we have the loops. Fine. In arrays, whatever the different operations we wanted to perform, all the operations I will discuss with you. Fine. So this is the arrays concept. Next one. After completing the arrays, let me go for one more important topic. The topic is the strings. Like students, can you tell what is a string? What is a string? Will you people tell? Like a group of characters, na? Group of characters. Group of characters called as the string. So let me discuss the strings also. And on the strings, whatever the operations we wanted to perform, all the operations I will discuss with you. Fine. Next one. After completing the strings, let me go for the one more powerful topic. The topic is the which topic? Stacks. Stacks. Can you tell what is stack? Stack working on which principle? Anyone? Can anyone chart with me? Stack working on which principle? Anyone? At least one person. Stacks working on which principle? Anyone? At least one person. LIFO na? LIFO. LIFO stands for what? LIFO stands for what? Lasting. Lasting first order. So the stack operations also. Can you tell what are the different stack operations? Stack operations. Push operation. Next one. Pop operation. Next one. Peak operation. Next one. Check the empty operation. How many operations are available? Practically, not by using the predefined method. With our own logic, how to implement the stack operations we need to see. Fine. After successful completion of stacks, fine. Let me put the focus on one more topic. The topic is the queues. Queues. Fine. Students, can you tell queues working on which principle? Queues working on which principle? Anyone? FIFO. FIFO stands for what? First in, first in what? First in, first out. So all the queues operations also, whatever the queues operations are there, all the queues operations also I will discuss with you. Fine. Next one. And another thing. After completion of the queues, immediately I will discuss with you one more powerful topic in data structures. Then that topic we can call linked lists. Very, very important. Too much powerful topic in the data structures. Then that topic we can call linked lists. Fun. In linked list, fun. Anyone knows that one? How many subcategories are available in a linked list? Subcategories. Can you tell the types of lists, linked lists? First one, single linked list. Single linked list. Second one, second what? Double linked list. Double linked list. Third one, can you tell the third one? Circular linked list. So as part of our course, I will discuss with you three types. One is the single linked list. Second one is the double linked list. Third one is the circular linked list also. Fine. Next one. Yeah. Students, can I tell the next topic after the linked list? Can I enter with the advanced topics? Can I enter with the advanced topics? What are the advanced topics? Trees. Trees. Next one is the one more topic. The topic is the which topic? Graphs. Let me discuss about the trees concept. Next one is the let me discuss about the graphs concepts also. Fine. After completing the trees and the graphs, let me discuss one more topic. The topic is the DP. DP stands for what? Dynamic programming also. So as part of our course, I will discuss with you dynamic programming also, DP program also I will discuss with you. Fine. And one more thing. If you people are interested along with these topics, basic level topics are there. Basic level topics are there like searchings, important in the interview point of view, important like in the academic point of view also very, very important. Searchings and sortings. Searchings and sortings, very, very important. Fine. Can you tell types of searching techniques? Students, please answer. Types of searching techniques. First one is the answer. Linear search. Linear search. Anyone, please try to chart with me. Linear search. Second one is the binary search. First one is the linear search. Second one is the binary search. These two techniques I will discuss with you. Fine. Next one. Not only searching, not only these two searching techniques. So let me enter with the few sorting techniques also. Few sorting techniques. Students, can you tell few sorting techniques? First one, very, very important. Which one? Bubble sort. Bubble sort. Please answer at least few members need to answer. Bubble sort. Next one is the insertion sort. Insertion sort. Anyone? Next one is the third one is the merge sort. Merge sort. Next one, fourth one is the quick sort. Quick sort. Like this also, so many sorting techniques are available. So if possible, I will discuss all the sorting techniques also. Fine. So this is the agenda related to next 50 days. Fine. Students, this is the time to ask the questions. Anyone want to ask any question regarding the content or anything? Please short with me. If you have any questions, please ask me. It's a two-way communication class, not like a one-way agenda. It's a two-way. It's a two-way here. Please try to chat with me. Can you please raise our hand? How many members need the basic level also, like loops, conditional statements? Do I need to explain or directly can I enter with the data structures and algorithms? Can you please raise the hand? How many members needs the basic level also? So many members, na? So many members are asking the basic level also. Like basics, basics in the sense, I'm expecting you loops, this kind of thing. I hope everyone knows that one. If need, today I will cover that one. Okay, fine. No issue. Yeah. And coming to the ID also, can I use any one of the online online editor? Students, please tell me, can I use any one of the online editor? Let me take any one of the online editor, like a one compiler or a program engine, anyone. Any one of the online editor we can use, not an issue. Let me share this link to you people. Please do the coding along with me. I'm requesting you people need to do the coding along with me. Yes, I sent the link also. Please open one compiler. Or if you people asked me, because only 1 or 2 days only we will use the one compiler. Later directly we need to go for the lead code. So whatever the examples we want to execute, that examples directly we need to execute with the lead code platform. So this is the lead code account. In the lead code directly we will execute the example. And today and tomorrow, 2 to 3 days, execute basic level programs in lead code platform. Not in the lead code, in the online editor. Fine. Now, yeah, students, can you tell JVM? JVM starts the execution from which method? Main method. Who will execute the Java program? Java program executed by JVM. Fine. JVM stands for what? JVM stands for Java Virtual Program. And one more thing, Java Virtual Mission. JVM starts the execution from which method? Tell me, students. JVM starts the execution from which method? Main method. Fine. Now, say this one. Here, let me take one array. I want to take one array here. Into array ARR1. Into array ARR1 equal to take some elements 100 or 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 or 2, 20, 200, 2000 or 20,000. Some elements are there. So the collection of similar type of elements we can call array. What type of array? Integer array. Fine. Now try to say this one. How to read these elements? I wanted to read these elements. Try to say this one. To read these elements, initially we have one loop. What is that loop? For loop. So how to work with the for loop? Try to say this one. For initialization. So how to initialize? Int I equal to 0. Then this portion we can call initialization. Next one, and another thing. Condition. This one we can call condition. This portion we can call condition. Next one. Third one, increment or decrement. This portion we can call increment. So mainly don't feel bored, students. Some people knows, some people don't know. So that's why today allow me to cover the loops. Then tomorrow directly we need to go for the coding platforms. Now try to say this one. So for loop syntax divided into 3 partitions. One is the initialization. Second one is the condition. And the third one is the either increment or decrement. So we can say either increment portion or a decrement portion. Fine. What is the array one dot length? Array one dot length means number of elements. Fine. See the number of elements: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. How many elements are available? 10. So array one dot length means 10. Fine. Now display the data. How we can display the data? System dot which one? Out dot, and here we need to go for the println. System dot out dot println. System dot out dot println, and here we need to pass array one of I. Array one of I. Automatically we are able to display the each and every element. Now run the code. We need to run the code. Yes, automatically we are able to display the all the elements. Fine. Students see the loop. Whoever like won't have the at least basic level knowledge, at least try to see the loops. Fine. What is the I value? Answer: I equal to initially 0. 0 less than 10. Is it a true or false? Chat with me, friends. Is it a true or false? It's a true. True. If it is a true, this code will execute. Array 1 of 0. Array 1 of 0 means answer is the 1. Automatically, we are able to see the 1. Next one. I plus plus. I plus plus means 1. 1 less than 10. 1 less than 10. This is also true. If it is a true, array 1 of 1. Answer is the 10. Answer is the 10. Next one, I plus plus. I plus plus means what? 2. I plus plus means what? 2. 2 less than 10. 2 less than 10. That is also true. So array 1 of 2. Array 1 of 2 in the sense 100. Yes or not? So the loop will iterate like this. Once if the condition fails, automatically the loop will exit. Then this is the logic for the for loop. Through the for loop, we are able to read all array elements. Fine. Students, I'm requesting you, even though no, some people already know this one. Even though no, my request is please execute these 3 lines of code. Once done, please give the confirmation to me. Everyone, I'm requesting you people, please do these 3 lines of coding. After completing, please raise the hand. Then I need to go for the another loop. Everyone, more than 1,000 members are there. I'm requesting everyone, please execute the code. Next one. So after completing the for loop, can I go through the one more basic loop? Let me go for the one more loop. Okay? Then that loop we can call. Students, can I tell one more loop? For loop is done. Already you know, even though no care, let me revise the loop again here. What is the another loop? What is the another loop? While loop. Let me go for the one more loop. Then that loop we can call the while loop. Fine. Students, please tell me. In the while loop, initially we required initialization. Initialization. How to perform the initialization? Int I equal to 0. Int I equal to 0, then this portion we can call initialization. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the we required condition. how will we take the condition? We will take the condition like this. While I less than, while I less than array one dot length, then this portion would call condition. Fine. Next one. Here we need to write business logic. Let me write the business logic here. So whatever the business logic you want to write, that business logic I need to write it here. So how to write the business logic? And here we should be in a position. We need to go for system dot out dot println of array one of I. And next one. Here we need to go through this portion we can call business logic. Business logic. Next one. Here we need to choose either increment, either increment or decrement. We should be in a position we need to place either increment or decrement here. As of now, we need to place increment logic. So what is the increment logic? I plus plus. Fine. Students say this one. This portion what we call initialization. Fine. This portion what we call condition. And this portion what we call business logic. Last one what we call either increment or decrement. Fine. Students, please tell me how many number of elements. Students, please answer me. How many number of elements? 5 elements na? 5. Here how many number of elements? 5. Now say this one. What is the I value? Reply. I'm requesting you people, please reply here. What is the I value? I equal to 0. 0 less than 5. Because the array 1 dot length means 5. 0 less than 5. Is it true or false? True. If it is a true, array 1 of 0. Array 1 of 0 means what is the answer? 1. Next one, I plus plus. I plus plus in the sense what? 1. 1 less than 5. It's a true. If it is a true, array 1 of 1. Answer is the 10. Next one. And another thing is the I plus plus. I plus plus in the sense 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5. So it's a true. If it is a true, array of 2. Array of 2. Answer is the 100 here. Next one. What is the another thing? I plus plus. I plus plus in the sense 3. 3 less than 5. 3 less than 5. It's a true. Array 1 of 3. Array 1 of 3 in the sense answer is the 1000. Next one, I plus plus 4. 4 less than 5. True. Array of 4. Answer is the 10,000. Next one is the I plus plus 5. 5 less than 5. 5 less than 5. Now the answer is the false. If it is a false, answer is the false. Okay? So if it is a false, the loop will exit. Now the answer is the what is the answer here? 1, 10,000, 100,000 and 10,000. Yeah, students, I'm requesting you, fine, please execute these 3 lines of code, also 3 to 4 lines of code. Everyone, I'm requesting you people, please execute these 3 to 4 lines of code also, because loops are mandatory to work with the data structures. Please do practice along with me. Even though basic level, I'm requesting you people, please execute the code. Which one? Can I go through do while loop? Can I explain do while loop? Students, please answer. Or can I wait? Now, let me see the do while loop. How we can work with the do while loop. Let me work with the do while loop. One more loop we need to see. Then that loop we can call do while loop. Fine. Here same thing. Initially, we will do with the initialization. Fine. How to do the initialization? Int I equal to 0. Then this portion we can call initialization. Whatever the portion we have, then this portion we can call initialization. Next one. Here. And another thing is the take which one? 2. And here we need to write business logical. Fine. So which business logical? Here we need to choose the system.out.println of array1 of I. Array1 of I. This one we can call the business logical. Next one. After the business logic, then we need to go for either increment or decremental. Here we need to see the either incremental, either increment or decremental. Either increment or decrement here. So how to do the increment? I plus plus. Next one. Here we need to write a condition. At the end, we need to write the condition. While I less than array1 dot length. Then this portion we can call condition. Whatever the portion we have, then this portion we can call the condition. Then whatever the loop we have, then this loop we can call do while loop. And yeah, students are trying to say this one. What is the I value? Reply, I'm requesting you people, what is the I value? I equal to 0. Here we have the I value, I equal to 0. Fine. Now, array1 of 0, answer is the 1. Fine. To execute a business logic at least once, no need to check any condition. Without checking any condition, I'm executing business logic at least once. That is called as the do while loop. And I'm repeating again. See this one. Without checking any condition, we are able to execute a business logic at least once. At least once, then that loop we can call do while loop. Fine. Now see this one. So array1 of 0, answer is the 1. Next one, I plus plus. I plus plus in the sense automatically I value becomes as 1. So 1 less than 5, it's a true. If it is a true, array1 of 1, answer is the 10. Next one, I plus plus. I plus plus in the sense 2. 2 less than 5. 2 less than 5, it's a true. So array1 of 2, answer is the 100. Next one is the I plus plus. I plus plus in the sense what? 3. 3 less than 5, it's a true. Array1 of 3, answer is the 1000. I plus plus in the sense 4. 4 less than 5, it's a true. It's a true here. Array1 of 4, answer is the 10,000. Next one is the I plus plus. So what is the I plus plus? 5. 5 less than 5, the condition is the false. So if it is a false, automatically the loop will exit. Then this loop, whatever the loop we have here, then this loop we can call do while loop. So what is the do while loop? Without checking the condition, the business logic will execute at least once. The business logic will execute at least once, then that logic, then that loop we can call do while loop. Let me run the code. Yes, same output we are able to see. Fine. Students, I'm requesting you please execute it. Already you know, already if you know, some people that are charting with me already we know. Even if you know, at least execute at least once. Everyone, please execute the do while loop. Anyone completed? Can I go through the another loop? Yes. Let me go through the another loop. We have the one more loop. That loop we can call enhanced for loop. So let me go through the enhanced for loop. Fine. So how to work with the enhanced for loop? Enhanced for loop. So how we need to work with the enhanced for loop? For int element colon ARR1. Then this loop we can call enhancer for loop. Say this one. This code will execute 5 times because 5 elements we have. Fun. For the first execution, 1 map to 2 element. For the second execution, 10 map to 2 element. For the third execution, 100. For the fourth execution, 1000. For the last execution, 10,000 map to 2 element. So we need to print element also. How we can print the element? System.out.println of element. Automatically variable to save result. Then this loop we can call enhanced for loop. Fine. Execute this one also. I'm requesting you people, please execute this one also. Once completed, please raise the hand. Then this one we can call enhanced for loop. Yes, fine. Students, please tell me how many basic loops we discussed. How many basic loops we discussed? We discussed about the 4 basic loops. First one, please answer. First one, for loop. Next one, while loop. Third one, do while loop. Fourth one, enhancer for loop. Fine. Now, let me see the one more application. That is also one of the basic level program. Then we need to see it. Fine. Yeah, I think everyone knows that one. Like some important logics are there. Some important logics are there. For example, any one of the logic. Can I take the palindrome logic? Palindrome. Fine. Students, can you tell? So what is a palindrome? Because I want to execute a palindrome logic with the help of loops. Then you can get the more grip on the code. Palindrome. What is palindrome? Can anyone tell what is palindrome? Original string equivalent to original string equivalent to reverse string na. Original string equivalent to reverse string. Reverse string. Then such a type of string we can call palindrome. For example, say this one. Original string. Original equal to reverse string. Reverse string. Then that type of string we can call palindrome. Palindrome. So if you don't mind, can you tell the logic with the help of loops? So through the loops, I want you to implement palindrome logic. Fine. Yeah, please tell the logic here, how to implement it. Now, here take one original string. I'm requesting you, we need to take one original string. Can you tell one palindrome string, students? Anyone? Here, string original equal to string original equal to any one of the palindrome string. Can you suggest to me? Shahant Patil, you sent one question. You are the what you told. You are saying like C++ now. Then we will see the C++ also not an issue because the logics are important. Don't think like a Python or something. Okay? Logics are important. Fine. Anyhow, you require the C++ now. In the tomorrow we need to see the C++ not an issue. Fine. Now see this one. Here original equal to. So what is the original? Original equal to mad. Someone sent the mad. Is it a palindrome string? Students, is it a palindrome string? Answer. Yes, this is the palindrome string. Whatever we have, this one we can call palindrome string. Yeah, Malayalam, that is also palindrome string. See this one here, someone sent Malayalam, that is also palindrome string. For a madam also, palindrome string. Yeah. Fine. Now, try to say this one. Take one reverse string also. String reverse. Reverse equal to empty. At present, let me take the empty here. Fine. Now, take the loop. I need to take one loop here. Try to take one loop here. For, will you people answer how to take the loop here? For initialization, this portion we can call initialization. Int I equal to number of characters. How can I take a number of characters? How can I get a number of characters? Original dot length minus 1 here. So next one is the condition. Here let me take the condition here. Here we need to take the condition here. So this is the condition. Next one is the decrement. Here we need to place the decrement again. Fine. Students say this one. This is what? Initialization. This portion what do you call? Condition. This portion what do you call? Decrement. Fine. Can you tell what is the I now? Will you tell what is the I now? Answer. What is the I value? What is original dot length? What is original dot length? 5 na? 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 means what? 4 na? Finally, what is the I value now? I equal to 4 na? I equal to 4. Next one. And another thing, what is the condition? 4 greater than or equal to 0. Next one. What is the another thing? I minus minus. Students will try to say this one. Original dot length. Original dot length means number of characters. Number of characters minus 1. So finally, I equal to 4. Fine. Add each character to reverse. How we can add? Say this one. Reverse equal to say this one. Reverse equal to so we need to place the caret. Let me go for the caret again. Here we need to place the original dot caret of I. Caret in the sense character. Fine. Yeah. Students aside, try to say this one. What is the I value initially? Reply at least 1 or 2 members, please reply here. What is the I value initially? I equal to 4. 4 greater than or equal to 0. Answer. 4 greater than or equal to 0. Is it a true or false? True. True. If it is a true, say this one. Original dot caret of 4. Original dot caret of 4. What do you call? M. That M added to whom? Reverse. So finally it contains M. Next one. I minus minus. What is I minus minus? I minus minus in the sense 3. I minus minus in the sense what? 3. 3 greater than 3 greater than or equal to 0. It's a true. Fine. Now say this one here. Original dot caret of 3 means what? A. That A added to whom? Reverse. Reverse already contain M. For the M, which one is added here? A. For the next iteration, D will add. For the next iteration, A will add. For the next iteration, M will add. Finally, reverse contain madam. Fine. Now, here check this one. Here we need to take the condition. Which condition we need to take? If original dot equals of original dot equals of which one? Reversal. If this condition is satisfied, whatever the condition we have, if this condition is satisfied, then that string we can call palindrome string. Whatever the string we have, then that string we can call palindrome string. Palindrome string. Now, else condition. So what is the else condition? Else condition we can call not palindrome. Here we need to pass what we need to place not palindrome. Not palindrome string. Run the code. We should be in a position we need to run the code. What's the problem here? Plus equal to now. What is the answer we have here? Palindrome string. Fine. Here we need to place another thing. Malayalam. Palindrome string. Now here we need to pass some hello. Not palindrome string. Fine. Students, just take the 5 minutes of time. Execute this logic also. Whatever the logic we have, I'm requesting you people please execute it. No logic, just to get the grip on the loops, not more than that. Fine. Everyone, I'm requesting everyone just to take the 2 to 3 minutes of time and execute this code. Palindrome logic. Jivan, the code visible here. Jivan, here the code visible. You need to execute it. With the help of what? One compiler or any one of the compiler. You can take any one of the compiler. You are saying the code not executing. The code visible to you. Let me share the code to you. Whoever completed, please raise the hand. Whoever completed, please raise the hand. Students, please do that one. Even the basic level, please do this one. Yeah. Like Ravichandra, say this one. I'm moving from right to left, Ravichandra. I'm not moving from left to right. I'm moving from right to left. So that's why we need to take I minus minus. Student, do you know recursion? What is recursion? The function calling itself. The function of calling itself, we can call recursion. So can I implement same palindrome logic with recursion? Please say yes or no. I want to implement same palindrome logic with recursion. Then you can get the clarity on the recursion. Can I do that one? Reply, at least to chat with me. Can I do this one? Yes. Same recursion logic, same palindrome logic with recursion. So how we can do it? Fine. Is it a static method? Students, please tell me, is it a static method? Yes or not? Is a main method is the static method? Yes, main method is the static method here. Fine. Now, above the static method, create one more static method. I want you to create one more static method. One static method we can call to another static method. One static method we can call to another static method directly. So how to create another static method? Public static, what type of method? Boolean. The return type is the, what is the return type we need to press here? The return type is the Boolean is the return type. Boolean. Boolean, the method name is the, what is the method name? Palindrome. Is a palindrome method. Here we need to take the three parameters. Let me take the three parameters. So the first parameter, here we have the first parameter here. The first parameter is the string str. Next one, here we have the another parameter int start. And here we have another parameter int end. Int end here. Fine. Students, please tell me here, what is the method name? Reply. What is the method name? Is a palindrome method. The function calling itself, we can call recursion. Simply, we can call the recursion here. Fine. This is what type of method? Static method. One static method allowed to another static method directly. Fine. Here, for this function, for this method, how many parameters are there? Three parameters. What is the first parameter? String str. What is the second parameter? Start. What is the next one? End. Fine. Students say this one. If a start is greater than or equal to end, if a start is greater than or equal to end, always it will return true. Fine. How to handle this one? If because through the code itself you can get the clarity. Start greater than or equal to end, always we're expecting true. Always we're expecting what? Always we're expecting the true. True in the sense the given string is the palindrome. Fine. Next one. Take the another condition. If first character, how to get the first character? How to get the first character? Str dot character. Character of what? Start. One. If a first character not equal to last character. Str dot character of end. So if a first character not matched with the second character, so that is not the palindrome. So that's why we need to place return what? Return false. Simply we need to return what? Simply we need to return the false again. Fine. So this logic we need to iterate a number of times. So this function wanted to call the same function again. Return is a palindrome. Return is a palindrome of same string, comma. Here we need to pass the same string, comma, and here we need to pass the start plus one. Start plus one. Next one is the we need to pass the end minus one. Start plus one. Next one is the we need to place what? End minus one. Students say this one. I think through the code itself, you can get the clarity. So if I explain the one iteration, then you people can get the clarity here. Fine. Now, tell me here, what is recursion? What is recursion? A function calling itself. We can call a recursion. Fine. For example, if this condition is satisfied, then return what? True. If it is a true, the given string is the palindrome. If it is a condition not satisfied, return what? False. Return what? False. So if it is a false, then the given string is not palindrome. Fine. Iterate this logic number of times. Number of times in the sense what? Start plus 1, next one is the end minus 1. Start plus 1, next one is the end minus 1. Fine. Students will say this one. Is it a static method? Reply. Is it a static method? Yes, a static method. One static method can be passed to another static method. Can I call in another static method? Reply. Yes, we can. We can pass one static method to another static method. Here, let me take one word. Here we need to take one word here. What is the word we need to take? Madam. Now, call the method here. Which method is a palindrome? Is a palindrome. So this is the method we need to take it. So here, Boolean flag equal to is a palindrome. What you wanted to pass? Word. Simply we need to pass the what we need to pass here. We need to pass the word here. Next one. What is the start here? 0. 0 here. What is the end here? End is the word dot. End is the word dot length minus 1. Word dot nth line length minus 1. Fine. For example, if of a flag. If of a flag, then we need to pass the println what you wanted to pass? Palindrome. Next one, else condition. So what is the else condition? Else condition is the println. Here we need to pass the not palindrome. Not palindrome. Fine. Students will try to say this one. For example, madam map to way. Reply. At least 1 or 2 members need to reply. Madam, whatever the madam we have, that madam map to str na. Fine. Whatever the madam we have, that madam map to str. Say this one. So finally, it will map to str here. Fine. Start contain what? Anyone? Start contain what? 0. End contain what? End contain the 4 na. End contain what? Reply. Students, please reply. End contain what? End contain 4. So what is a word dot length? 5. 5 minus 1 in the sense what? 4. Finally, str contain. Finally, str contain madam. Start equal to 0. End equal to 4. Fine. Just to remember that values and please tell me here. Just to remember that values, then you people need to tell. What is start value? What is start value? Tell me. 0. 0 greater than or equal to 4. Is it true or false? Is it true or false? False. So this code won't execute. This code never execute here. Next one. And another thing. And another thing is the first character. What is the first character? M. M or not? What is the first character? M. What is the last character? M na? M. So M not equal to M. M not equal to M. Is it true or false? False. False in the sense this code also won't execute. Whatever the code we have, this code also won't execute. Fine. Now students will say this one. What is start value? Everyone, at least last class, guys, please see this one. What is start value? 0. 0 greater than or equal to 4. 0 greater than or equal to 4. False na? False in the sense it won't execute. Next one. What is the first character? M. What is the last character? M. M not equal to M. M not equal to M. False na? False in the sense this code also won't execute. Whatever the code we have, this code also won't execute here. Fine. Now try to say this one here. Now second iteration. We need to go to the second iteration here. Fine. str contain what? Madam. Here madam. Now start equal to what? 1. Start equal to what? 1. End equal to what? End equal to 3. Start equal to 1 and end equal to 3. Say this one. 1 greater than or equal to 3. False na? False in the sense what? It won't execute. It never execute here. Now say this one here. 1. 1 in the sense what? A. This is the A na? This is the A. Next one. This is what? 3 na? 3 in the sense what? 3 also A here. Yeah. See this one. 0, 1, 2, 3. A. A not equal to A. Team, tell me A not equal to A. False na? False in the sense this loop also won't execute. This loop also never execute here. Fine. Now try to see this one. And another thing. And one more thing is the, once again, this is the madam. Start equal to what? 2. End equal to what? End equal to 2. Start equal to 2 and end equal to 2. Fine. 2 greater than or equal to 2. Answer. 2 greater than or equal to 2. Tell me. 2 greater than or equal to 2. Is it true or false? Reply. Is it true or false? True. True in the sense, what is the value? Value is the true. Value is the what? Value is the true itself. Now, see this one here. Now, 2. What is the 2 value? What is the 2? MAD. Not equal to D. False na? False in the sense it won't execute. Fine. Now, what is the answer here? Answer is the true na? Answer is the true. That true store to where? That true store to where? Flag. If it is a true, what is the answer? Palindrome. If it is a false, what is the answer? Not a palindrome. Got it or not? So the palindrome logic, whatever the palindrome logic is there, that a palindrome logic with the help of what? Recursion. Now the answer is, what is the answer here? Palindrome. For example, not only madam. Here we need to take the mom. Mom, the answer is the palindrome itself. Fine. Students, I'm requesting you, at least execute this code, then take the 5 minutes after, please execute the code. Known logics, just for the recall. I hope everyone knows this one, just for recalling. In the today's session, just I'm recalling the what are the knowledge you have. So this one we can call palindrome with the help of recursion. Fine. Execute it. And I'm requesting you people, before joining the tomorrow session, please try to create a lead code account and a hacker rank account. I'm requesting you people, please make sure you people need to create accounts with the, one is the lead code account. So this is the lead code account here. You people need to create the lead code account. So this is the lead code account. So I'm requesting you people, please create the lead code account here. Here we have the so many problems are there. So many problems are there. All the problems, what are the problems are there? All the problems we need to execute one by one. So I'm requesting you people, please try to create the lead code account. And whoever interested with the hacker rank account here, I'm requesting you, please create the hacker rank account also. Both lead code account and hacker rank account. 1 week we need to work with the lead code, and 1 more week we need to work with the hacker rank. Okay, fine. I hope you people need to create the account. I need to create the account again here. No issue. I think it is asking a free account. Something I need to enter. Fine, no issue. Susmita, you can wind up the session.
Yeah, sure, sir. Thank you so much. So we'll meet again by tomorrow at 7 p.m. Yeah, dear students, I have shared the attendance link on the chat. As we informed in the starting the session, as attendance is very mandatory to get the certificate. So 60% of attendance is mandatory. So every day I'll be sharing the attendance link on the chat at 8:30 till 9:30. For 1 hour, the attendance link will be active. So kindly mark your attendance before 9:30. Okay, and some are asking about the like mail which you have not received. For sure, you will receive it. Kindly wait by tomorrow or by today end of the day. You will receive it. Okay. So yeah, I hope today got helpful. We'll wind up for the day. We'll all meet again by tomorrow at 7 p.m. Thank you all for joining. Good night, everyone. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.